What's up, everybody? This is something people overlook in regards to car maintenance. It's actually one of the least expensive but most important types of care for your car. That's changing your engine's air filter. In this video, I'll show you the difference between one that has never been changed compared to one that is brand new. All right, here we go. So this is a minor service detail that most people overlook. You think about changing your oil and brakes and things like that all the time, but some things get overlooked, and one of those commonly overlooked things is your engine air filter. So I popped the clips already just to speed this up so I can show you. Okay, so here's an old engine air filter. Okay, this is where the air that comes through your engine provides the air that passes through your AC unit and brings the air into your cabin. There's two filters. There's one inside the car and there's this one. You want to replace this frequently. I would say probably about every 20,000 miles maybe. At least that. But you can see debris from the road, trash, everything that could possibly come in through that pipe and get into your engine and harm your engine. That's the job of this air filter. So it has a big job. And because of that, you want to replace this thing frequently because, as you can see, this thing is black and full of dirt. And what you want to do is you want to put a fresh one in, okay? Nice and clean, because like I said, this air is passing through your engine and you do not want any of these types of deposits to get inside your engine and cause it any harm, all right? So, like I said, people forget about doing this, but just make this part of your normal maintenance on your car. Every fifth oil change, I guess. Some people say change it more frequent than that. I don't think you need to. I would say every 15,000 miles or so, which would be about every fifth oil change, I would have your air filter replaced, okay? All right, see you guys.